Our warehouse supervisor, Katarina, was unhappy with the way that the receipt of goods arriving at the warehouse was being logged. The transactions were being entered into the inventory management system far too late, or sometimes the transactions weren't even being entered at all. When they were recorded, they were initially written down on a piece of paper. The paper left the warehouse operative or forklift driver, went into an in tray, and this inbox of forms would then be processed by the warehouse admin team. Hopefully they'd be able to interpret a mixture of print and handwriting exactly, and subsequently be able to key this information exactly into the system, hopefully in the correct order, thus making sure that stock issues had the right amount of stock on hand at the time of issue on the day of issue. This opened much room for human error, and to compound this, due to the amount of dual entry that took place, valuable employee time went to waste. Alongside all of this, the lack of real-time visibility into what materials were and were not available for consumption had a knock-on effect to the planning that took place upstream. In the next few minutes, let me show you how we help to bring real-time physical movement and digital transactions together in a paperless warehouse using a handheld barcode scanning device. The functionality shown here is all about automation of inventory and job transactions and is based on three principles. The first being role-based functionality, so your supervisors and operators can take care of different tasks using their devices. The second is about device independence. The module can be accessed on your tablet or your phone as you see here, or on a rugged device, kiosk or terminal to allow those one-handed transactions to be completed with ease. And finally, it's about simplicity. It's simple to learn and simple to use, as you'll see as I move along. In this scenario, I'm going to carry out a receipt of a purchase order. As you can see, the icons are big and color-coded with simple captions like "Get it" or "Make it." It's designed like this to empower the user from the start. Our development team ensures that there is a consumer-grade user experience with the solution, as some of our customers use seasonal staff in their warehouses, so rapid adoption of the technology is key to the operational efficiency and effectiveness that we seek. Using a handheld scanner, I'm going to scan the barcode of the warehouse I'll be receiving the PO to, and then I'll scan the barcode ID of the purchase order. If I know the line of the PO I'm receiving, I can scan that too. Or if I know the item ID, that could of course also be scanned. But for this video, let's assume I don't know. Well, then the system's going to prompt me to select which line I'm receiving. I go ahead, I select the line, and I'm then passed to a screen where I'm tasked to enter in the quantity of the items received. The transaction is now logged and is available in real time in what you might call the back office system. If I had a manufacturing work order waiting for material contained in this PO, I could also simply cross-dock this material directly to the job that's waiting the supply. We explored this process in another video, so if you want to see that in more detail, be sure to select the cross-docking option when creating your demonstration. With a warehouse automation solution that ensured real-time inventory management and visibility, and that aligned their physical and digital worlds instantaneously, Katarina not only saw a decrease in the time her employees took to record their material-based transactions, but she was also able to provide a far more accurate view of what was inside a warehouse and what wasn't. Her colleagues in the planning department could feel confident that the jobs they released had the components necessary to fulfill the required demand. Her production team had the capability they needed to inquire upon, pick and issue parts to jobs without worrying if they were impacting any other jobs negatively, and she was able to positively affect her organization's objective of keeping inventory levels to a minimum.